Bro, we just got another SVR.
Finish!
What the heck? WXM60. Oh, FFW. Hold up. Instead of this, it's a FFW.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Berkeley, and Cumberland.
Oh, doubleheader. Okay, I guess.
Minor flooding in low-lying and poor storms. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to be. The National Weather Service. Northeastern Northwestern counties and southern New Jersey until 5:30 experience flooding includes 8 p.m.
Careful with the glass.
Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Eat it.
Urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include South, Georgetown, South Shore, London, Woodrow, McGuire Air Force Base, Fort Dix, and New Egypt. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood